If text message notification sound doesn't work for some contacts suddenly, then let us see what to do. Now, if it is only for a particular contact, then open the messages application. Then open the chat with that particular application. Tap on the three dotted icons on the upper right corner. Then at the bottom, there is a bell icon. Make sure that the bell icon is enabled. After that, go to notification sound and make sure to select either default notification sound or some other notification sound. Now, if the text message notification is not working for some contact and you don't know for which contact it is working and for which other contact it is not working, then you have to go to settings app at first. Then scroll down to the apps at the bottom. Open it. Tap on the three dotted icons on the upper right corner. Select reset app preferences. And then you have to select again reset. Now here you have to remember, if you have customized applications or customized contact to use certain ringtones or notification sounds or anything, then it will be changed back to the default one. So you have to remember this one before you do. So select reset, and now you should be able to get the text message notification sound for all the contact.